My name is Dedvukaj. I'm the channel manager for the Americas here at DyeMansion. Well, one of the great exciting things that we just announced here at Rapid in Chicago is the Workflow Center. And what the Workflow Center does is allows the operators of our workflow that you see behind me here to basically be able to connect to the cloud. So wherever they are in the world, they can connect with their laptop or their cell phone, get new updates and different things like that with their machine to make sure that it's running up to their specifications. So the second product we have is Data Connect, DyeMansion's Data Connect. So what's really cool about this one, a lot of customers maybe don't want to connect to the cloud, right? Maybe they just want to connect directly into their existing digital shop floor, and they'll be able to access all of the great features with this in terms of traceability, updates, things like this. It just really allows us to take the next step to Factory 4.0. The biggest reason why a customer will want to use this type of service is because it just gives them way more access into their machines, right? So if they want to see real-time updates, if they want to see real-time alerts, they have that strictly right there on their phone, their laptop. The digital shop floor is integrated with their existing ERP system. It just gives them way more flexibility into their entire workflow. And that's what Factory 4.0 is all about. So once they have it completely installed and ready to go, they'll be able to access it from their laptop, from their cell phone, from their existing ERP system. We tried to make this as simple as possible for the end user. It's probably one of the easiest products to take in. So we really built off of our existing partnership with Siemens, and the whole cloud-based system, the Workflow Center, is based off of the Siemens workflow integration. We unveiled it here at Rapid, and it's now available starting this week. So reach out to some of your partners, and we'll get you going right away.